In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your activity log on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile page. Then tap at this three dots button next to Edit Profile, and that's where we can easily find activity log. If we get into it, we'll be taken to that screen where we can search for the exact activities we would like to delete. Let's say I'm gonna tap at your activity across Facebook, and then I'm just gonna enter comments and reactions. Let's say I would like to delete some likes or comments I left on Facebook, so I'm just gonna get into manage comments and reactions, and that will show me all my comments and reactions that are sorted in chronological order from the most recent to oldest. And in that way I can just scroll down or up until I find the reaction I would like to remove. Also, we can filter them. Let's say if I get into filters and then categories, I can filter just likes and reactions or comments in that simple way. And then if you would like to delete some reactions, some particular reaction, tap at three dots next to it, and then unlike if you would like to delete your like. And also we can select all of them, and then to remove all the selected reactions in one click, just tap right here at remove. In the same way, you can delete the other activities on your activity log on Facebook. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.